Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and Kelly and I check our wiring and we find loose connectors and the wrong size wires being used. So I've come into here, trying to sit down, I've got a screwdriver where it shouldn't be, and as you can see 12 volt, and this 12 volt positive wire comes here, and it was covered in tape. So I don't know, I thought to myself, I don't know, it seems to be moving. So yeah, so this is the, and I'm like going, it shouldn't move like that. And it feels tight. The actual, oh no, you can see it starting to move. So anyway, so I've got to re-tighten it up. It's tight on the bottom one, it's just not tight on this one. So moral to the story is, people, make sure you check all your electrical connections regularly. So I do have a question, and that is, I'm pretty sure the fuse should really be on the battery side, because I was always under the impression that the fuse is there to protect the wiring. So if the fuse is at the fuse box, what's protecting the wiring between the fuse box and the battery? If you can let me know if I'm right or wrong, that'd be good. Cheers. I also noticed that the 240 volt sockets, some of the connectors actually in the back of the sockets were a little bit loose. It is very cold out, so maybe, but it's a good idea to check them and tighten them if necessary. But he's used a very thin, well, I would say thin wire. Yeah, I'm not really sure if it's up to 10 amps, but the span that is going over, it's definitely going to have to be upgraded because of the voltage drop it's just too much. If the battery is completely full, then the diesel heater will fire, no problem at all. But if you've got other stuff on, it just, the voltage drop is just too much. So I'm going to have to resize the wire for that. But apart from that, it's not too bad, just the odd thing here and there, and which I've put right. So thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it's completely free.